What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and also get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description and it's definitely worth every penny. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is down 0.22%, nasdaq up 0.27%, and S&P 500 absolutely flat on the day. Here in this groups we got communication services on top, energy, consumer cyclical, technology, real estate on bottom, utilities, basic materials, consumer defensive, financial, and also healthcare. So on communication services led by Google and also Netflix, Netflix is up 3%, Google is up 1.5%, Tesla also up on the day 2.41%, and Nvidia down on the day 1.81%. It was down more than 4% in the morning, but this thing recovered again and only down now 1.81%. AMD flat on the day. We got Microsoft up on the day 0.38%, and Apple stock, guys, this insane run to the upside once again, another new all-time high on Apple stock, and it's up on the day 0.63%. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So on SPY, the last video I made, we were looking for a higher low on SPY and looks like we found that here right above 430. Now so far, if you look at it, we got a rising white line 20 SMA and SPY respecting that level and holding above white line 20 SMA, also getting a strong bounce. Yesterday we saw a rally and even today we saw some continuation to the upside. SPY got up to 437.44 and then closed above not only blue line 5 SMA, if you look at it, also above 435.80. So basically SPY sitting above all the moving averages here on this daily chart, and that is still looking bullish, and we got a bull trend on SPY, and this is nothing but a pullback at a higher low, and now we're going back up. And especially if you consider 4th of July coming, guys, next week, that is a big holiday, and you're not going to see a massive sell-off in the market unless there is a really bad catalyst out there, a bad news that will bring the market down. We could see a massive rally going into tomorrow, and especially next 2 to 3 days before 4th of July. SPY can definitely move back up to the upside and possibly will take out this high right here, which is around 442, 443. And if that's out, watch out for a move all the way up to 450. Now to the downside, so far, yes, we need another high above this high right here. And if that happens, that's going to be even more bullish for possibly a new all-time high later on. But as of right now, this is going to be a critical level to watch. I'm not saying, go full bull here on this move because we're getting a bounce. You need to see this support holding, which is 430. That's going to be a critical level. Then needs to hold on SPY. Below that, we could be coming down here to fill this gap at 422.92. So you gotta know your risk level here on SPY, and that is 430. And if you're buying at the support, and a lot of people thought that they can short SPY right here, which is not a good idea. You do not want to short anything at a critical support, and 430 also aligned with this rising white line 20 SMA and this uptrend. Lot of support here, guys. So if you're shorting here, that's a bad move in the market. Wait for a big bounce in the market. If you want to short, at least you need some room to make money, and this thing already pulled back from here all the way down to what, 431. So that was a decent pullback, and it's holding a higher low. And if it's holding, you do not want to short this rally, because if you did that right here, now your position is underwater. So on SPY tomorrow, critical level to watch 436, 432 white line, rising white line 20 SMA, and then the big level 430. above 436, definitely we could see a move all the way back up to 443 to 444, right where this upper Bollinger Band is sitting, and possibly even higher all the way up to 450. On Triple Q, getting a strong bounce off of this rising white line 20 SMA. It was sitting right here at 357, and now it's moving up, sitting close to 360. So now, off of this white line 20 SMA, we got a strong bounce. Also took out the resistance at 360, and today took out blue line and also orange line 13 SMA, sitting around 364, and now it's trading at 365.62 after hours. So that is looking extremely bullish going into tomorrow on Triple Q. So watch on a pullback right here, 363 to 364 as a support, and then 360. Below that, we also got support down here at 357, 355, and then 350. I mean, look at this lower Bollinger Band moving up, guys. 346, so it's not going to, crash anytime soon. People that are talking about a massive crash, it's not coming. We're going to get pullbacks in the market, and that is how market will work right now. Because this is a strong bullish trend, we're not in bear market anymore. So watch out for a move. Triple Q can hold right here between 363 and 364. We could see a massive move back up to 370 and possibly even higher. On IWM, Russell 2000 ETF, it's up 0.5% and getting a strong bounce off of the support 180 and the daily 200-day moving average here on IWM sitting around 180. I don't have it here on my screen, but it's getting a strong bounce off of the level. We also have strong support at 178. IWM not really getting down to 178, and now off of this daily 200-day moving average right here, getting a strong bounce and breaking out above 183. So tomorrow, guys, watch out for a breakout, I would say around 185-ish. And if that breaks on IWM, it's heading higher. We're going to see a quick trip back up to 188 and possibly up to even 192. On a break below 183, watch out for the support at 180 and then 178. Also the gap down here at 176. On DIA, we got a flat day, not really going anywhere, but if you look at my screen, we're also holding critical level, which is 336, and I've been trying to buy some calls right here at 336. I missed out here on, that was on Monday, but now today, low for the day, 337.43, not even getting down to 336, and if you look at my screen, it's holding 338 as a support into closing white line 20 SMA, and that is looking bullish, guys. So DIA here, above 338, we could see a move back up to 340, and soon as this thing breaks 340, quick trip all the way up to 340 to 72 and possibly up to even 346 to 350. On a breakdown below 338, we also have strong support at 336 and then the gap all the way down here at 332. On VIX, nothing new, again down 2.26%, and that's why I said before that this is a dead cat bounce right here on VIX, and there is a buying opportunity in the market. We're not getting a crash in the market, and if you did, buy that dip in the market, you made a ton of money because market is going up, and this thing, it's not even Friday and getting crushed all the way down to 1343 today. So on VIX, guys, this thing is in no man's land. There is no support, nothing here on VIX. The only thing I can see is down here around $12. To the upside, this thing needs to break $15 and then possibly $16, and then this thing can move up to $18. And until this thing breaks 20, we're not going to see any significant pullback in the market. And right now, if this thing spikes back up, there is just buying opportunity in the market. And if you're not buying, shorting at the wrong time, you're going to lose money in this market. So, just avoid those crash videos and you will be fine in this market, because if you're watching those and just shorting the market, not knowing where the market is going and not following the chart and following the trend, definitely that's not gonna be good for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.